Okay, welcome all. Here we are going to share the image slideshow. Here we are going to discuss the reflection and diffraction. So though this point deals with the reflection and diffraction, we are going to explain only the reflection of the image of an object through a concave mirror. The position of the image formed after reflection through a concave mirror is found to depend on the position of the object, at what distance the object is situated from the pole of the mirror. There are various cases. The first case is if the object is situated at the infinity from the pole, the image is formed at the focus of the mirror. The image is found to be highly diminished, a point sized, and is inverted with respect to the object, so it is a real and inverted image. If the object is situated at finite distance from the pole beyond the center of curvature of the mirror, the image is formed between the focus and center of curvature. The image is found to be diminished and inverted, so it is real. If the object is situated at the center of curvature, the image is also formed at center of curvature but is found to be inverted. The size of the image is same as that of the size of the object, and hence the image is real and inverted. If the object is situated between the center of curvature and the focus, the image is formed beyond the center of curvature, and the image is found to be enlarged and inverted, so it is a real image. If the object is situated at the focus of the mirror, the image is formed at infinity and highly enlarged and inverted, so it is a real image. And if the object is situated between the pole and the center of pole and the focus of the mirror, the image is formed beyond the mirror and is found to be enlarged and erect with respect to the object, so it is a virtual image. These diagrams explains the formation of image after reflection through a concave mirror. Depending on the position of the object, the position and size of the image is found to be different. The first figure A represents the formation of an image of the object situated at infinity from the concave mirror. The image is formed at focus. In figure B, if the object is situated at finite distance from the center of beyond the center of curvature from the mirror, the image is formed between focus and center of curvature. It is diminished. In figure C, if the object is situated at the center of curvature, the image is also formed at center of curvature but is found to be inverted with respect to the object. In figure D, if the object is situated between the center of curvature and the focus, the image is formed beyond the center of curvature and is found to be inverted, magnified. In figure E, if the object is situated at the focus, the final image after reflection through the concave mirror is formed at infinity, is found to be inverted and hence the real. And the figure F represents the formation of an image of an object situated within the focus. The image is formed beyond the behind the mirror and is found to be erect and hence is the virtual image. So this is how we can study the reflection of the image of an object through a concave mirror. Okay, thank you. Stop record.